Tired of chasing cows all over your Minecraft world? Let's build a simple and efficient cow farm for a steady supply of leather and beef. First, create a 5x5 platform using any solid block. This will be the base of our farm, providing enough space for the cows. Now, build walls to blocks high around the entire platform, leaving a 1-block wide opening on one side for you and the cows to enter. Place 2 hoppers in front of the opening, leading directly into a double chest. This is where all your cooked beef and leather will collect. Place a dispenser on the block directly above the hoppers. Facing into the farm, place a lava bucket inside the dispenser. This is the cooking mechanism. Put a button on the side of the dispenser. This button will activate the lava for a short amount of time. Lure at least 10 cows into the enclosure using wheat. The more cows, the faster your farm will produce resources. Now, place a glass block to seal the entrance to the cow farm, 2 blocks above the hoppers. After that, place a block on top of that, then a carpet on top of that block. This will prevent baby cows from escaping. Feed the cows with wheat to breed them. Baby cows will grow, and eventually, you'll have too many cows in the farm. Press the button to activate the lava for a moment. This will cook the adult cows and the cooked beef and leather will automatically drop into the chest. And that's it. You have built your cow farm. Now you have a simple and efficient cow farm, providing you with leather and cooked beef for your journey.